but she just walked up with my phone.
We already gave them the phone. We already gave them the phone. They have their phone. I got it. I promise you we did.
Please tell her to stop. Did she just hit me? Did she just hit me?
F you. You're not gonna miss me?
You're very nice, but you've also been very mean to me too.
I've been mean to you?
Sometimes, yeah.
What are you?
Hey, stop.
I'm fucking with you.
I will catch you and you will go down.
On May 2nd, 2024, Daytona Beach police responded to a disturbance outside a local nightclub involving an intoxicated woman accused of striking her friend. As officers attempted to investigate and identify everyone involved, the situation quickly became more complicated when the woman refused to cooperate. Bodycam footage captures the unusual encounter that followed, as what began as a routine investigation slowly turned into an arrest.
Still talking. Hey,
Okay, listen, y'all see her. I'm still talking. That hoe can really get the off. She's out here acting like a crackhead. I would've went to jail if I was out here acting like that. Like, this is ridiculous. Not one of them hoes get to steal my phone, and nobody can help me. But I went to I went to jail because a grown man got in my face, and I hit him, and I was no proof that she stole it. There's cameras out here for everything else. Y'all can't see a camera?
We have no proof.
Who had it? Where was it? Oh, she had my phone. Oh, okay. So there's no proof that she had it, but she just walked up with my phone. Y'all need to do your job.
You need to leave before I take you to jail. Go.
You're gonna want to slow your roll. You're gonna want to slow it.
fuck ass home right now. I'm not playing with her.
Sir, I'm not playing around anymore. She doesn't leave. She's gonna be under arrest.
I'm trying not to.
Okay, I'll tell her, go home.
I'm gonna be her ass. Next time I have me. Next time I'm out here. Next time I'm
this close to jail.
I'm gonna beat her ass.
Close to
I
jail.
don't care. I don't care. I'm a soul. I'm my brother. I don't give a fuck. This bitch is getting her ass beat.
I ain't got time for that. My birthday. I'm trying to hang out. Excuse me.
Don't put that shit on me. Don't. I do. I be home. I be home. She hit me up. She hit me up.
We already gave them the phone. We already gave them the phone. They have their phone. I got it. I promise you we did.
Let me see that phone.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
The pink one.
That's her phone. That's Star's phone. We literally just gave her phone back. I just handed it to her personally, ma'am.
You did?
Yes, I promise. They went on their way.
Yes.
Hey, don't touch me.
Danielle, do not touch that officer.
I'm sorry, officer. I'm doing my best. Can you just please give it?
Danielle,
Can you just go to the van? My dog. I'm trying to do the best I can. Like, just work with me. I got y'all. Nothing's gonna happen. Just work with me. I got y'all.
We have other stuff.
I know. That's wait. I know. Just let me. Just please let me handle this. Don't let her go. Please. I understand. I know. I'm trying to get her in. Just like it's everything just happened so quick, and I'm trying to keep my
Get an
dog.
Uber or something.
Yeah, everything happened so fast. Just give me a second. I promise you.
She's this close.
I know, but just don't like.
Look, you're
just
falling into traffic.
I will punch you in your face. I will punch. I'll get my daddy on you. What? I'll get my daddy on you. What? I'll get my daddy. I don't give a fuck about the police. I don't give a fuck about the police.
Which one? Hey, okay.
What you talking about?
I know. What's she?
What you talking about? Daddy back up from me, please.
I think it's this one. I think it's this one.
Daddy's back up.
If she swings on someone, we're arresting her.
I did nothing to you.
Oh my God, could you imagine?
I did nothing to you. I did nothing to him. I don't care. Take me to jail. What?
Oh, okay.
the police are right here.
Please tell her to stop. This shit just hit me. This shit just hit me. I'm going to help her ass all day.
You know what I mean?
All day. I'm not. All day.
Tell the police you want to press charges. Don't do that. Please tell the police.
Do not press charges.
This is making hard.
3 dots and 5 1 central. We got one adult female, 10
You know what I mean? It's not fair, you know? It's not cool. I know exactly what you mean. I know exactly what you mean. And I'm not going to stand here and fight against y'all. I'm not going to fight against y'all. I know exactly what you mean. It's not cool. It's not cool.
What belongings do you need?
Does she have ID?
Yes, she has.
Tootsie, you got my ID? You got my keys, Tootsie? That's my boyfriend. Bro, you got it. You got my dog?
have your phone. Doesn't have an ID.
Yeah, that's my phone.
So,
That's my phone.
hold it. You have
Can you just I'll search her, but can you bring her?
Tusi, make sure Star is okay. Make sure Star is okay. No, make sure Star is okay, Tusi. Make sure Star is okay. Tusi! Make sure Star is okay.
You too.
It's like, how do you make sure your friend don't beat your boyfriend up, you know?
Act like adults and handle your alcohol.
Girl, I wish. Exactly, thank you. It's like, does my drunk ass know to let her go? Or does my drunk ass know to let her go?
I'm sure there will be a second one.
Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. Your ass, bitch. And I love my friend.
I bet you do. But
I
you
do
can't-
love her.
I think you do, but
But it's like, how the do I know to separate my friend and my boyfriend? How the do I know how to do
you
that?
should just go with your boyfriend somewhere, and Star goes with her boyfriend
How?
somewhere.
I was just trying to, and she wouldn't leave. Wednesday to Saturday, fire drinks, free
Do you have
drinks.
anything on you that's gonna poke me or
Nah,
stab me?
you're good.
How long have you guys been here? It's like early still.
For a few hours. I didn't try to upset her. I didn't mean to.
I know.
I was trying to calm her down, right? Or no?
Then you smacked her in the face.
Did I?
Yeah.
Alrighty. I read him.
Is Tusi okay?
What I heard, yes.
Thank you.
The
Because he
girl
didn't
that
do
she
anything.
strokes name is Star. I'm not.
Yeah.
That's all I
Yes.
have. I don't have the last name or anything. So, this is hers.
Black bitch.
Oh yeah.
Damn, I gotta be all that.
Yeah, ugly bitch.
I'm so
did I
happy I
do?
don't work this weekend.
I do.
Yeah, I know.
Me
It's
too.
It's unlocked. Yeah.
Go ahead and watch your head.
I don't have my name.
So you just want to sit in jail until they find out who you are?
Danielle Dennis.
Oh. What's your middle initial?
Um,
And your date of birth?
wait, my month, my year?
All of it.
Wait, ask what you're asking.
What's the last 4 of your social security number?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I really wish I remembered.
So this is what I'm going to tell you, okay?
I really
Listen
wish
to me.
I remembered.
Listen to me. If this is not your name, there will be another charge added, okay? Okay. Have a
Yeah.
safe ride, Miss Dennis.
3 Delta 53 Central. Copy transport.
Good.
My location of Valor. 1 adult female. 10:15. Starting miles is 832.
2240.
Wait, so my boyfriend who just got out of prison is okay.
Yes.
Okay, so he has no charges.
No charges.
Okay. Because he's not a bad person, I'm just an asshole.
Okay.
Just me.
Okay.
Literally.
I believe you.
I'm a fucking piece of shit.
Okay.
I don't
3 Delta 53 Central. Copy ending. Yeah, I got you.
Good.
On scene Valor. Ending miles 837.
2256.
You hear me?
I hear you, girl. Weird.
Yeah, call me a white bitch.
I'm not gonna call you that. That's
Call
very.
me white bitch.
No, that's
Call
very
me-
rude.
Call me a white bitch.
No, I'm not mean like that.
Tell me.
I'm not mean like that.
What do you mean, you fucking ass white bitch?
That's just uncalled for.
You throw up. You don't think about throw up?
Do you have to throw up?
Yeah.
Are you being serious?
I'm being so
Oh my gosh! What are you doing, girl?
I swear to God, I gotta throw up.
Okay, get up. Step out. Step out. Step out. I'm gonna stand you up, okay? Okay, get on your knees. Get down on your knees. I need to help you up, okay? I can't have you lay here. Okay? Can you stand up forward on your knees for me?
I just hit the on my head.
I'm trying to help you up. You can sit like this. You need to throw up?
Obviously, I just hit the on my head.
Well, you,
Fucking asshole.
you didn't tell me you were gonna fall.
Obviously, you
Would have
fucking.
helped you.
What? Oh my God! I really just like beat the on my head.
Here, can you sit up against the tire right there, please? I'll let you sit out here, just in case you have to throw up or anything like that. But I need you to just lean up against this, okay? Or
Why?
here, I'll close the door, okay? There you go. Now you can lean straight back. And you can scoot your butt back some. So if you need to throw up, you can throw up out here, okay?
I want my boyfriend.
Well,
You can't get my boyfriend out here?
no, unfortunately I can't.
So what am I on?
You're going for simple
That
battery.
shit. Simple battery. I f with that. At least it's simple.
Yep. Like I said, it's the lowest battery charge.
Period. Wait, why the f am I sitting here?
Because you were going to throw up.
Well, obviously, but put me back.
Are you going to throw up in the car?
No! Okay, but pick me up.
I will
okay?
help. I will help you up.
Grab
Okay.
my arms. Okay. Hey, what are you doing about
Hey, stop.
I'm fucking with you.
I will catch you and you will go
I'm
down on the ground.
fucking with you.
Oh my gosh.
I'm fucking with you. You're dumb as fuck.
Jesus Christ.
303 North Bridgewood. White male, blue shirt, on top of the icebox, hallucinating.
Careful. Good back there? Are you okay? You okay? Are you okay?
What did you say?
Are you okay?
Delta 73 Central.
That's. Or do you need to throw up?
73.
Which fucking...
I'll take the Taylor to pay.
Do you need to throw up?
Who?
You. Are you okay?
Baby, who needs to throw up?
I'm making sure you. Okay, okay.
Probably.
Okay. Come here. You're not gonna fall. I got you. Go ahead. Let the evil out. You're not gonna fall. There you go. You're not gonna fall. I got you. You okay? Is that everything? Got more? You can step out. I got you. Go ahead. Okay. I need you to. There you go. Can you stand, or do you want to sit? No, I'm good. You have a boyfriend. I respect that. Come here. There you go. Can you stand? Can you stand? Okay. I need you to sit on your butt for me, okay? Can you sit on your butt for me? You're getting sick. I need you to sit on your butt. If you need to throw up, turn left and throw up, okay? There you go. Just sit here, okay? Your stomach's still sick?
Can you put this back in pending for supervisor approval? Straight out to 5-6.
What are you doing?
The subject here is requesting an ambulance, non-emergency. He says his new medication is making him hallucinate and he is scared of the dogs he has seen.
You need to sit right here for me, okay? Do not move. Do not.
Copy, do a new bottles track or transport?
I don't.
He's requesting transport. Reference the issues with his new medication.
You happy you're standing?
Copy.
No. Lean against the car.
Read up the picture Central.
Sit you in the car. I don't care if you can.
You can show myself and Delta 44 after that verbal disturbance. Copy.
Delta 53 to Delta 21. You clear for a quick phone call? My 1015 is intoxicated and she's thrown up multiple times. Do I need to get evac out here for a vitals check, or are we okay still?
We're fine.
Well, I've been sitting outside this heliport waiting for PT to come back for probably 45 minutes. Okay. I just wanted to make sure before I tried to hand her off and got sent back.
You're not gonna miss me?
Yep.
Hey.
Alright, thank you. I appreciate it. Alright, bye.
You're not gonna miss me?
You're very nice, but you've also been very mean to me too, so.
I've been mean to you?
Sometimes, yeah.
When?
You call me ugly and call me mean, tell me f you, so, you know.
You ugly bitch.
See?
But
And I just helped you when you were throwing up.
Hey, but like, you ugly, stupid bitch. I'm gonna miss you.
Okay.
You're not gonna miss me? You don't wanna come see me after?
Yeah, can I bring her in? She's...
Yes, you can.
Yeah, let's go. You see where he's walking? Going toward
I'm
him.
gonna hit you up on Bumble.
I don't have Bumble.
You want Bumble?
No, you're only gonna find me working in Daytona. Good luck with that.
Okay, I'm gonna see you later.
Okay.
When I'm sober.
Okay, we'll see about that.
Okay, bye.
I'm still gonna bring you in here.
That's fine. It's okay. He hates me.
I don't hate you.
Yes, you do.
No, I do not hate you. I would drop it, but she's without my help, she's probably gonna fall over.
No, I'm fine. Let
No,
me go.
I saw you moving around out there.
Let me go. I'm gonna be fine.
No,
I'm gonna locate any information on the female.
Put your feet on the red marks, please. There you go.
So you're going north on Vine. Can you come back?
Make sure you don't fall over, okay?
Yeah, let me go. I bought this on Shein.
That's nice.
You know what Shein is?
I've heard of it before.
You heard of it?
Simple battery, not DV.
You good to go?
Yeah.
LT Burns is right in the report.
Why are you hurting my arm?
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to. I just don't want you to fall.
I'm fine.
But it should be any minute now, honestly. I've been here for a little bit, so.
Wait, what does that mean?
I've been waiting for him to show up for a little bit.
Turn the face me back.
Yeah.
Okay, can you do me a favor? Turn around and lean up against the wall with your back. There you go.
Bye.
Raise your hands again. Thank you.
You know that song, Life is Good by Future?
Nope.
I bet you don't.
That's what I said.
No, I bet you don't. You know that song?
I think I've heard it before.
Yeah, I bet you did. By Future?
By Future. Yeah. I know a Future.
Do you like Future? I love Future.
You should have told me I would have played you some Future.
Oh my god, play me Future!
You're about to go in there.
Go in, have a seat, please.
That's just very nice.
Bye, baby! I love you.
The woman was ultimately taken into custody following the incident outside the nightclub. What began as a disturbance call quickly escalated as officers attempted to identify those involved and determine exactly what had occurred. The encounter serves as a reminder of how rapidly a routine police interaction can turn into an arrest when cooperation breaks down.